Hi kids, right now we're going to have a look at what some of the different symbols mean when we're talking about division. Because division really just means groups. Groups of a larger group. So you might start off with, say, 6 of something, and you've got to divide it by 3 different people. You got to think, well, if I've got 6 things in my collection, how many of the things would each person get? Let's have a look at that on my whiteboard. So I've got 6 lollies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I wanted to divide them by 3 different people. Each person will get some lollies, but how many will they get if I've got 3 people? So if I couldn't think of a fact family to work this out, a multiplication and division fact family, I might just think about it and go, well, I could start off by giving each person 1 lolly. So now I've got each person has 1 lolly and there's 3 lollies left over. This is looking pretty obvious at this point, isn't it? Let's try again. Let's give each person 1 more. There we have it. So this tells me that 6 divided by 3 must equal 2. If I had to write it as an equation, it could look like 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Because overall there's 6 lollies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided into 1, 2, 3 different groups, and each group has 2 in it. That's what's important to remember. It also could look like crazy, I know, but that's what it could look like. And that exactly the same means 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So it's up to you to write your equations to look like this, or to write your equations to look like this. But ultimately they mean the same thing. 6 lollies divided by 1, 2, 3 different people, and they all have 2 each. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. If you had to think of a multiplication fact that goes with that, what would that be? A multiplication group I'm thinking of might be 3 times 2 equals 6. Because that has 3 groups of 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all together.